and disease. We pride ourselves on providing producers with forage solutions that are both tactical and practical. They address specific agricultural needs and are easily implemented within the grower's existing capabilities and resources. Our BarOptima Plus E34 represents the next generation in tall fescue yield, persistence, and forage quality. Through extensive research and testing, Barenbrug's forage scientists were able to identify a beneficial endophyte, E34, that prevents fescue toxicosis, a condition that can cause elevated body temperature, decreased weight gains, lameness, low pregnancy rates, and reduced milk production. This beneficial endophyte was then inoculated into Barenbrug Elite soft-leaf tall fescue germplasm. The result is a forage grass that is safe for cattle, stubbornly persistent, and produces higher yields than other commonly used forage grasses.
This grass out here is BarOptima Fescue. I had studied it and learned that it was a more tender grass than some of the others, which would increase the consumption rate and hopefully the growth rate of the calves. And now with the use of BarOptima, we continue to see 35 at the minimum and sometimes as much as 100 pounds more weaning weight per calf.
BarOptima Plus E34 has been proven to increase average daily gain, resist heat and drought, and eliminate fescue toxicosis. Plus, it's easily digestible, late heading, and more palatable to livestock.
The BarOptima Fescue, you have to be careful not to plant it with others because the cattle will clearly favor it.
Safe, sustainable, and profitable, BarOptima Plus E34 is suitable for both large and small beef and dairy producers in a wide variety of regions and climates.
We're in an area of the country where the only cool season perennial grass that can live is tall fescue, and that grass has to have an endophyte in it. And this BarOptima has a fungus inside of it that protects the plant but doesn't harm the animal. So it's sort of an ideal fit for this area of the country. It's tough, it's hardy, it's winter productive, but it doesn't have the toxic effects that older varieties like Kentucky 31 would have.
We don't produce any hay, so we're able to get excellent growth rates, reproduction rates with just grazing grass. It requires no other inputs than just normal good grass management, which is soil nutrition and proper grazing technique.
BarOptima Plus E34 works with the farmer, not against them. Some of the other grasses that farmers have been growing for many, many years, it has many detrimental values. It has toxicity problems, it doesn't grow very well, it doesn't have high energy values, it just kind of holds the farmer back. With BarOptima Plus E34, he doesn't have to worry about those things.
In the case of weaning weights, you're going to get 45 to 60 pounds more. Stockers in the summer are going to gain a pound a day more. You're going to have higher reproduction. The records just don't lie. We've been exceptionally pleased with it and consider it the best in the business.